Well, hello world. It's Kami Diet, and thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So, my hair is super messy, it's very frizzy, and it's in your favorite hairstyle, a bun. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be using this beauty today. It is the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. It's super gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I actually won this in a giveaway in my Facebook makeup group called Glam Haven. Check it out if you want to. So go ahead and like this video if you think this palette is gorgeous. Like this video if you've never used this palette, and overall just like this video, it'll help me out. I'm going to show you just a quick swatcheroo of all the shades. I don't see any names for them, which is rude. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just drop the swatches here in a second, and yeah, keep on watching. Alright guys, I'm back and I'm going to apply a little bit of my banana powder right underneath my eye right here, just so it can catch any of the fallout. So pretty much any fallout that falls onto this powder, I will dust away when I'm done. Okay, so first I'm going to grab this shade right here, and I'm going to take my handy dandy Sigma E40 blending brush. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in my crease, which is right here where my, obviously where my eye crease is. And then I'm just going to go back and forth, building up this color to the intensity that I want. I'm just going, like I said, back and forth, circular motions. I'm just going like that. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, you can see. Just like that. I didn't want to zoom in too much because I thought you're just too much in my face. So I'm putting this a little bit onto my lid. Just a little bit right here. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm using that same brush, and I'm going to use this to deepen the outer V of my eye. So I'm going to put it right here on my lid and just dab it and kind of like swirl it around. So usually when I'm using darker eyeshadows and I'm going to cut the crease, I like to clean the lid using, you know, any makeup remover that you have. Right now I'm using Garnier, and like I said, I'm just going to clean it up so that you can apply fresh concealer, and it's just a, you know, it's just a clean new base, and none of that green is going to be peeking through. Okay, so to cut the crease, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and just a flat concealer brush, and what I like to do is apply some right here to my lid, and then I look up, and wherever the concealer transfers to, that's where I cut the lid, or cut the crease. Sorry, my mouth was probably wide open. The bugs were probably flying in. Not literally, but you know, I feel like I concentrate better with my mouth open. I don't know. Like if it's too much work to breathe through my nose. I'm not dumb. When I get closer to my outer V, I like to start flickering it so that there's not a harsh line. Why are planes flying at 10:30 at night? That's why I stopped recording during the day, because there was a lot of airplanes flying. So here I am at 10:30 at night and they're still flying. Okay, I see you. So I'm going to go in with this dark shade again. I'm going to deepen up the outer and kind of just blend it into that edge of that concealer, so it's not harsh. I'm going to take, what's this, from Unlashed Cosmetics, the flat brush. I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to apply this to the concealer. Such a beautiful shade, man. All these shades, just stunning. But I'm not going to stop right there. I'm going to take this shade right here, and on that same brush, I'm going to apply this in my inner third of my eye. Like so right here at the inner corner right here. And I'm just layering it on top. And I'm not applying any Fix Plus or any spray or anything. It's just a dry brush. And I'm just layering these shadows. I mean, I just think that's just beautiful. It adds a little something to it, don't it? Or is it just me? I don't know. Like, I don't think my camera is capturing how stunning it looks. Yes, yes, yes. But I'm not going all the way because I want to leave it with some of this shade right here. I'm just going to kind of go over it right here. Actually, I'm going to go in with this dome brush. It's just a cheapy one from e.l.f. And I'm just going to stamp it on right here. I'm going to go in with this brush. It's the E36. And now I'm going to deepen up this crease. Just to add some dimension. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so I cut the camera and I started doing my lower lash line, and then I realized, hello, you should be filming this. So I'm just going to get you up to speed of what I did. I just grabbed a flat definer brush and I went in with this shade right here, and I just applied it really close to my lashes. Then I went in with Morphe E18 and I went in with this one and I buffed it out. And then I'm going to take this little small brush right here. It is a Morphe 213, and I'm going to take this pretty shade right here and I'm going to use this in my inner corner for my inner corner highlight. But what I'm also going to do is kind of bring it underneath. And what I mean is I'm just going to kind of like stamp it on top of this. Like no rhyme or reason, just kind of go like that. So it can, I don't know. I just like the way it looked. That's why. Why do we do the things we do? Because we like it. Okay. So now I'm just going to apply my Kiss lashes in the style corset. I'm going to grab a black eyeshadow and I'm going to tightline and waterline and do my lower mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I'm really liking this, like, other than my hair, you know. But like this eye look, I just can't get over it. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but I mean, just this lid, these lid colors, like, okay, let's just keep going. But let's move along to highlight. I'm going to take Fenty Beauty, it's Hustla Baby, and I'm going to take my trusty Morphe 501. I'm literally going to highlight everywhere. So we're going to go right here on my cheekbones. Then my nose, of course, because duh. Then my Cupid's bow. I'm going to put just a little bit right here. And then I'm going to take a brush like this and I'm going to just put this down my nose bridge, just more like right here on the center. Then I'm going to just put a little bit right here. I thought about putting the yellow right here, but I didn't know if that was just too much. So I'm just going to go in with this one for my brow bone highlight. Okay, so before I go in with my lip color, I'm going to take my NYX Dewy setting spray and I'm going to set all of this. Okay, so for lips, I'm thinking this shade right here. It's by Jeffree Star and it's called Dirty Money. Okay guys, so just some thoughts on this palette. I think the shadows are super gorgeous. They're easy to work with and very pigmented. The only thing is that this shadow right here has major fallout. I mean, it just brought me back to why I always do my eyes first and my base last. But if you apply some setting powder right here underneath your eyes, it will catch the fallout, and when you're done, you can just wipe it away. But of course, my mind was all over the place and I forgot. So I didn't do it with this eye, but I did it with this eye. But other than that, this completes the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Since you made it this far, you must have subscribed and hit that notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and comment, share this video with everyone and anyone, and until next time. Bye guys!